fast-breaking developments in the coronavirus emergency in the U.S. and around the world to close all non-essential businesses, joining California.
Tonight, the so-called epicenter of the coronavirus crisis in the U.S. is making drastic...
In France, no one can now leave home without a government form that they print out to justify their reason for being outside.
Travel into the European Union is being severely restricted to contain the spread of the coronavirus.
So we had a flight to Costa Rica, and literally at the gate they said that Costa Rica is closed. They got to know it 30 minutes ago. So what we did, we quickly booked a transfer, so now we're just transferring in Costa Rica and we're going to Mexico. While we fly and while we wait for a transfer, that's like 24 hours. I hope they will not close Mexico.
Yeah, why we're leaving?
Why we're leaving? Because like, I mean, in Europe we have no work, everything is closed, we have nothing here, so we just decided that it's better to get away from Europe ASAP.
Don't play that game, I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate, I don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game, I know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do, I got a lot to do, I got a lot to do. Got a lot of. At the crack of dawn in the dark.
Adventure for 5,000 days already. Okay, so honestly, we started in Amsterdam, we flew to Zurich, Silk and Smooth. Our end destination was to be Costa Rica. We're in Costa Rica now. We have been in Costa Rica now for 20 hours. We've been in the airport for 20 hours. We are losing our minds. This is going to be our longest trip ever. We had to book a flight to Mexico via Panama. So we have 2 more flights to take. Because if we went to Costa Rica, we have to do the self-quarantine. And guys, before you judge us, I need to tell you the story that we left Amsterdam, we left the Netherlands because, and pardon my looks, but there's nothing anyone can do about my face. So basically our work got closed within 10 minutes, so we got 10-minute notification online. It wasn't even the boss that did tell us that. And as you know, we work for hospitality and entertainment. We do some private gigs, we do things like that. And all the hospitality and everything got closed. So we're literally there without work and with an apartment to pay for like 2,000 euros, $2,500 a month. As you know, Amsterdam is one of quite the most expensive place in the world. So we decided that we need to take off. So we booked a flight to Costa Rica. Costa Rica decided to close while we were flying. So Costa Rica decided to close. As Costa Rica closed, we decided to book a flight to Mexico. So now we're waiting on a flight to Mexico, which got delayed and then didn't, and got cancelled and then didn't. So we're still good. Haven't slept for around 40 hours. We're gonna get to Mexico, we're gonna find a safe place, we're gonna stay there, chill, sleep a lot. This is all of Costa Rica we're gonna see for now. We're supposed to enter Costa Rica and spend 2 weeks here. We're gonna do that on the way back. So you're gonna see more of Costa Rica, apart from the airport, transit area. And hi guys, we have arrived in Mexico. We are currently in Mexico City. One thing that we found interesting is that we thought there were going to be a lot of health checks and security checks while we traveled because we had so many layovers. Actually, the only place where they checked the temperature was in Panama. The whole plan of everything that happened very, very quickly. We did not plan to come to Mexico first. We thought we were going to do it after 2 weeks or so. But now we're here and we have no plan. So we're going to spend a day or two, plan our month in Mexico, and take you guys with us. So we're just walking around the city center and we just visited the Metropolitan Cathedral of Mexico, which is huge and it's amazing and really, really beautiful. So if you are in Mexico City, this is one of the must. Probably this will be one of the few things we visit today because we've had plenty of layovers and we just want to rest and take it easy and start planning as soon as we can.
Guys, what are you doing?
Nothing. Hide him.
Is that coronavirus?
That's
No.
coronavirus.
It's Corona Extra. It's really funny because so many things here in Mexico are related to Corona. Well, the beer, and now there's like this huge social stigma around it, and everybody hates it. But I mean, the beer is good.
Welcome guys, long time no see. So this has been our Airbnb apartment for the past 3 days while we are here in Mexico City, kind of planning our trip in Mexico. So it might look a little bit small, but it has everything that you need. You know, we have Netflix here, we have like one big bed here because it's like a pull-out bed. And then we have another one right here, so it's perfect for 3 people. And we're paying only like 15 euros, so that's about like 17 bucks per night. 25. Okay, maybe it's 25. My mistake. Yeah, so we're paying 25 euros per night, which if you consider it's only like or 9 euros per person per night, so it's perfect. And you can see like we have even like a small kitchen right here. Chris, you don't have to hide there. And then yeah, the TV, a big closet, and a very nice bathroom, which has everything that you need. And the apartment is located in a very good location. It's in do you know the name of the neighborhood? Buena Vista. Buena Vista. A beautiful view in English. So yeah, right now we are actually packing. It's only like 7 AM and we are packing because we are heading to Guadalajara. That's the first destination that we're gonna visit, and yeah, we're gonna take you with us, guys. See you in the next video, by the way.